naughty because he started barking.
And this is Tara.
And there's Tara. Can you see Tara there? Oh, she's wagging her tail.
So we're all out today.
And we're freezing.
out in this
It's
chilly
very
weather.
cold.
So we have a nice little lullaby for you today. So what we want you to do is to go and get a little blanket.
Yes.
And find somebody to coorie in with.
And
coorie
coorie in
is
is
cuddle
this.
in. Go and cuddle in with somebody under a
Cuddle
nice
in.
wee blanket.
Yeah.
And we're going to sing you a nice wee lullaby.
Okay.
You ready?
Hush-a-bye, birdie, croon, croon. Hush-a-bye, birdie, croon. The sheep are gane to the Ceilidh wood, and the coos are gane to the broom, broom, and the coos are gane to the broom.
And
And
it's
it's braw milk in the kye, kye. It's braw milk in the kye. The birds are singing, the bells are ringing, and the wild deer come galloping by, by, and the wild deer come galloping by. Hush-a-bye, birdie, croon, croon. Hush-a-bye, birdie, croon. The geese are gane to the mountain high, and they'll no be hame till noon, noon, and they'll no be hame till noon. Hush-a-bye, birdie, croon, croon. Hush-a-bye, birdie, croon. The sheep are gane to the Ceilidh wood, and the coos are gane to the broom, broom, and the coos are gane to the broom.
Thank you so much for watching us,
Thank
everybody.
you.
I hope you all cooried in, and maybe some of you might be fast asleep by now.
Yes. Have a lovely dream if you are. And if you can think of any carols you'd like us to sing over the next 2 or 3 weeks, just let us know.
See you all next time. Bye. Bye,
See
everyone.
you next time.
Bye.
Bye.